love with the loneliness I've chased, and I can't wait to start again. No, I can't wait to start again. When the darkness I know become your friend. To start again. And the voice of a thousand whispers with answers I can't find. Those weeks will stay forever. I left you out in the English rain to soak you through and dilute the pain. Don't ever wanna hear those words today. Just the same. Don't need pressure, don't need change. It's not me if we get away. There used to be an empty space, a photograph without a face. But with your presence and your grace, everything falls into place. Just please don't say you love me, it's not mine, don't say it back. It doesn't mean my heart stops giving when you look at me like that. And there's no need to worry when you see just where we're at. Just please don't say you love me, it's not mine, don't say it back. Never asking why we kissed, I fell under your spell of love. No one can deny. Don't you ever say I just want to win. I will always love. I can't live a lie running for my life. I will always walk. I came in like a wrecking ball. I never hit so hard in love. All I wanted was to break your heart, and all you ever did was wreck me. Yeah, you wrecked me. I put you high up in the sky, and now you're not coming down. And it slowly turned, you let me burn, and now we're ashes on the ground. Don't you ever think is that we've been asleep for far too long? I hope that we can find another place to